In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process refunds in Xero efficiently. Xero is a popular accounting software used by businesses worldwide, and understanding how to handle refunds within this platform is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records. Let's walk through this process together step by step. First, you'll need to access Xero by navigating to their login page. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the login button. This will lead you to the login interface where you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. It's always a good idea to double check your login details to ensure smooth access. Once you've entered these credentials, hit login again to take you into your Xero dashboard. Now that you're on the dashboard, look for the business menu in the top navigation bar. Clicking on this will expand a drop-down menu, and you should select invoices from the list. This is where you manage all outgoing invoices and track their statuses. Next, on the invoice page, locate the awaiting payment tab to see all invoices that are currently pending. Choose an invoice from the list to open its details page. This page is vital because it contains all the specifics of that particular transaction. To proceed with the refund, you'll see an option to add a credit note or enter the amount you need to refund for this invoice. When you enter the amount for refunding, ensure it reflects what is necessary for the transaction. Entering the correct amount mitigates the chances of mistakes in your financial records. You then need to set the refund date. Be cautious about this and confirm that the date aligns with the actual transaction or the date agreed upon with the customer. Next, you need to select which financial account you want to use for processing the refund. This keeps your bookkeeping organized and aids in later reconciliation. Ensure you're choosing the right account that corresponds with your refund obligations. Optionally, you can add a reference for this transaction. This could be helpful for future inquiries or audits as it provides a trail or notes for the refund process. Once you have reviewed all the entered details and everything looks accurate, go ahead and click Add Refund. This step completes the refund process, and Xero will now register this transaction in your accounts. Remember, keeping a detailed, accurate record of refunds is crucial for financial accuracy and transparency. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on how to process refunds in Xero. Practice this process to improve your proficiency in handling financial operations effectively.